Ron. I am originally from Davao City, Philippines, and I work here in Japan as a caregiver for 8 years. So, like, as every Filipinos, or maybe not everyone's, but I know like a lot of Filipino workers working overseas can relate my situation. So basically, we are supporting two families. So I am supporting myself here and I'm supporting my family in the Philippines. So it's kind of hard. Like for 8 years being a caregiver, I am in debt. So like Roxanne and Dave was telling us earlier. So like it's kind of hard because my salary is not even enough for us. So that's why I started this business. I started this business 7 months ago. And yeah, as everyone is starting this business because they want some kind of change. I want some change, not only for me, but also for my family in the Philippines. So, I'm sorry, I'm just so nervous right now. It's my first time. So my biggest day so far is not as big as Roxanne and Dave, but my biggest day so far is $2,000, and I'm only doing this like for like 2 to 3 hours a day because I am a full-time caregiver. So I have a lot of responsibilities. So I am so busy, but I can still do this business. And yeah, I'm just so grateful that I jumped in. Like I was skeptical at first. Like I asked my mentor, "Is this not working?" That was my very first question. And then when I learned the process, I learned so much of this business. And then my mentor said, "No, it is not." So I jumped in, and then I got so much result. So in 7 months, I was able to spend my birthday in Singapore in Marina Bay Sands. So that was like my biggest achievement so far because like I did stay in the normal room but in a suite room. So that's the best thing that I am super proud of. Because in 7 months of this business, I get so much results. And then I am watching Roxanne and Dave. They are my inspiration too. Like Rowan, they are my inspiration. So like I copy what they are doing. And yeah, I'm just so grateful that I'm here in this business and I get so much result. And thank you. Back to you, Mike and Darren.